Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to Lenonje Beauty. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how I braided her natural hair into sleek cornrow ponytail style, done in just 35 minutes. I started by parting her natural hair and doing medium-small cornrows at the front. This gives the style structure and style around the hairline. And this will give our face a very beautiful frame, as you're gonna see. This is how I do my cornrows. When it comes to parting, I am very intentional because at the end of the day, I would love to give my client a very neat and nice look. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead, subscribe, like, share, and leave your comment in the comment section. For the back, I went with big cornrows because we are adding a ponytail on top that will completely cover the back. This won't be visible, so no need to spend extra time adding small ones. It's a time saver and still gets the job done. So here we are. I'm sorry I didn't take you through how I made this bun. I think I'll make a video for this, but for now we are going to attach our ponytail. Yeah, once the braiding is done, I apply mousse to tame any flyaways and sleek her edges for a clean, polished finish. And then I will attach my ponytail on top of the braids. I got this ponytail from Afrojan Mo. If you are in Kampala, you can find them on Buganda Road, Mukwano Court, or in Bukoto at Marigold Heights. If you are in USA, Canada, let me know in the comment section. I will give you their contact. Quick and easy, and just like that, she's good to go, sleek, stylish, and protective. All using her natural hair. Bye-bye.